Hey, all of you. Hi. I'm really very excited to unbox this video. I'm really happy because he just arrived it 5 minutes ago, and I'm really happy to share with you guys. As I said you before that it is going to come, right? The package is going to come. So it arrived just 5 minutes ago. So I wanted to open before you people. So that's the reason I have not unboxed it personally. So I just have I'm unboxing in front of you guys. Again, I'm saying I'm really very happy and to share with you. And please do encourage me all the time. That's it. Thank you so much, guys.